There was a red-headed woodpecker out here before. I don't know if it's got a broken wing or if it's just a baby bird, but it was like flipping out. I don't know where it is. It was on this. Oh, there it is. Hey, birdie. Don't be scared. Aw, come here, you. Don't be scared. He can't fly. I don't know what to do with him. The cat's gonna get him. He can climb good. He will not come. He will not let me see him. He's like a fucking squirrel. Get around that tree and go right around. Look at him. There he is again. No, don't go across the street. Don't go across the street. Just watch him start flipping out now. Man, shut up. His wing must be busted, man. Oh, shut up. They're not going to come and help you. Go up the big tree. Go to the big tree. Take a chill pill. This thing is fucking fast. Look at him. Right around the tree. This is what I'm trying to protect the woodpecker from. Cleo, don't you eat the woodpecker. The woodpecker and Cleo. Yeah. Woo. What? You're not gonna eat the woodpecker, are you? Are you? Would you eat that woodpecker? I'm sure it doesn't take. You have plenty of food. You'll just kill it for the half of it, won't you? Uh-oh. He knows. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Cleo, don't you mess with that birdie. Cleo, you leave that bird alone. Cleo, get out of there. Get out of here. You get out of here. Get out. I got my camera running. I got my GoPro camera running because there's a woodpecker out there. Yeah, and Cleo's like circling around. I was going to say feed her. Because she's like, I'm like, you get away from that woodpecker.
Yeah, I saw you out there and I saw the woodpecker, but I didn't see Cleo.
I don't know if it's a baby or it's got its wing broke, but its wing is like kind of high, so I think it might be broken. I don't know what to do with it. It like flipping out. Like it's like, Cleo, it won't be so interesting.
Yeah, I feed her all the time.
I know, I said you don't have any, you're not hungry, but they just kill stuff.
Yeah, where is it?
It's over by this tree.
There it is.
It's got a broken wing or something. I think maybe it's a baby that tried to fly too soon or something. Look at her, here she comes. Yeah, I mean, it climbed up.
Get up. Go up the tree.
Oh.
Yeah, it's sucked.
Go ahead up. Maybe if it can get up into the... Yeah, see, it's okay up there.
Okay, you stay there.